Hello viewers, welcome to Earthbondhon YouTube channel. I am Mohammad Sohag with you. Now I am telling about distributed control system. I mean DCS. If you're new to my channel, please be subscribed and stay with me. If you already subscribed, thank you so much. So viewers, let's start. Distributed control system. In recent year, the use of smart devices and field buses makes distributed control system to be prominent in large and complex industrial processes as compared to the former centralized control system. This distribution of control system architecture around the plant has led to produce more efficient way to improve reliability of control, process quality and plant efficiency. A distributed control system is a computerized control system for a processor plant, usually with a large number of control loops in which autonomous controllers are distributed throughout the system, but there is central operator supervisory control. This is in contrast to systems that use centralized controller, either discrete controller located at central control room or with central computer. The DCS concept increases reliability and reduces installation cost by localizing control function near the process plant with remote monitoring and supervision. Distributed control system first emerged in large high-value safety-critical processor industries and were attractive because the DCS manufacturer would supply both the local control level and central supervisory equipment as an integrated package, thus reducing design integration risks. Today, the function of SCADA and DCS system are very similar, but DCS tends to be used on large continuous process plant where high reliability and security is important and the control room is not geographically remote. Nowadays, distributed control system has been found in many industrial fields such as chemical plant, oil and gas industries, food processing unit, nuclear power plant, water management system, automobile industries, etc. So viewers, that's my video. If you like my video, please like and share to your friend and stay with me for more my video. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks for being with me. Thank you so much.